Hi everybody. I've noticed that not everyone was able to turn in their assignments, so I wanted to make it clear everything that is assigned is supposed to be uploaded to your Class Dojo portfolio. And you should have gotten some kind of link or code of some sort sent to you or message to you, and if you didn't, please reach out and I will resend it. I just wanted to show you how to access everything. So what I would do is I would go to the Class Dojo class story. So it's just this tab. And I've posted some stuff, but down on April 3rd, I posted some information about the SFS Hills website. So I linked it, so you should be able to just click on that. And this is the website, and it has all sorts of numbers and ways to get into contact with people. And then I would go to kindergarten. So they have both of the weeks up and our YouTube channel. So I would look here on this week. And what we have done is we have linked to everything. So I made a video for main idea, and if it's in blue, it has a link. So you should be able to click on that, and it should just pop up. So that's the video from Monday, okay? So everything that's blue has a book or a video for your child to watch. And then on Friday, you have your assignments. So for example, the reading assignment was to go outside. What did you see? What did you do? How did it feel? You have options. You can write and draw about it, or you can take a picture. I've decided to take pictures, and since this is blue, you can click on it, and I'll take you right down to the example. I took a picture, and I wrote some words about it. I saw dandelions, I saw pine cone, and then what I would do is I would upload any, like, if I wrote about it, I would just take a picture of that and put it on my portfolio. If I took pictures, I would put it on my portfolio. And it's the same for writing and math. If you need help with any of that at all, please let me know. And I'm happy to walk you through it, but I just wanted to make sure you had instructions on what to do. And shout out to all my friends who have turned stuff in. I see you guys working hard. The other thing I want to mention is that our specials teachers are working on lessons for you too. So there are lessons for each specials. So you can go and you can click, and there's something for you to do. She's made a video for you that you watch, and I know that they want to see your singing and all of that. So please check that out so that you have some fun activities to do. Okay, I really hope that this helps, and I hope to see your work in your portfolios by the end of this week. All right, bye.